Hey, suspects down to the west of the 7-Eleven.
7 Charles, suspect still moving. So I still got my gun on.
10-4, suspect still moving. At gunpoint. Medics.
What's that?
Ah,
shit. It's 7 Charles, stage medics. Citizens reporting one of the employees inside the 7-Eleven got hit.
7 Charlie, 10-4. 89 going on each side. 89 Charlie, 10-4.
7 Charles, I'm code forward here with the gun on the suspect. If you have 91 or 89, check inside on the employee.
10-4, 91 Charlie.
Yeah, just check inside.
91, I copy. H1, what about with the log?
H1, 10-4. Okay.
All right, 7 Charles, just to reiterate, I'm on the west side, oriented southbound. Okay.
Charlie, we copied you on the west side, and can I know copy about southbound?
Oriented south, and 6 is with me. Hey, let's get him secured first.
7 Charlie, 10-4. 6 Charlie.
How are you? We're good.
I'm good.
Go ahead, you can put your
Let's make sure we can
Sir,
get
can
him.
you...
Let's get him cuffed.
Sir, I need you guys. Hey, don't start taking pictures for me real quick, okay?
K1's 2 out, code 3.
Hang inside.
All right.
Hey, put
Make
your
sure,
gun away. Put
make
your
sure
gun
he's
away.
secure though.
Put your gun away. Okay. Who's got extra gloves?
7-11.
Hey, 7 Charles, we're gonna secure the suspect. You have everyone else shut the coat down.
Hey, is there any weapons that you saw?
No, he's just trying to take my gun. I'm rolling too. He tried to take my gun and he took my.
7 Charlie. Station copy that you're...
Just cuff him. Seven Charles, he's cuffed.
Okay, so what we're going to end up doing now is we're going to start blocking this place off, okay?
Yeah.
Hands right there. I'm going to start blocking this place off.
Does he have a pulse or anything?
You good?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah, let's get medics in.
You also standing?
7 affirm. No, we're not standing. Get medics in there.
10-4. You can put your foot through. You know that's coming back now. And you just start putting up some yellow tape on that both on 6.
We're going to cut off everything. Just hang
Yeah.
tight. Breathe, baby.
Yeah.
Sir, were you inside at all? Okay. Come over here. We've got to talk to you.
You good?
Yeah, no one's outstanding. He's in custody. He tried to take my gun.
You're good? Yeah. Alright, I'm going to stand by you until they're even here. We're getting tape right now, and I'll have them set up tape.
Uniform, where do they have the suspect at?
On the west side of the 7.
Yeah, each one of the units are going to be on the west side of the 7-Eleven there. It looks like there's units 197, but once you get enough people, you
If we could get her ID, Jerry, I think she was videotaping part of the encounter.
Who's that?
The lady that was
Do you
inside
know
the
who that is?
looks like she had a nursing outfit. So she's probably inside right here.
Is it that green lady with the red hair?
No.
Okay.
Might have been blue.
need one guy to walk off this section right here. You know what? I'm gonna do it. Then we're gonna end up. Do me a favor. Go check on that girl inside.
Okay.
She got a little scratch, Miha. All right. Just
Okay.
a little scratch. And I need you to look at me.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine.
No suspects outstanding?
No,
Okay.
I'm on right now.
And it's all occurred right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Which way did you fire it?
Fired it at him, and then like 1 or 2 rounds went inside the 7-Eleven.
Okay. All right. Let's get somebody to stay with him.
Okay.
Stay with him.
Can I
Shut
go off
your
now?
yeah. Shut your
Nick, tell me if you need those handcuffs removed or whatever.
Where was he shot?
Don't know
yet. Bring him out and flip him over so I can take a look. I can see where he's shot.
What is Chuck doing? God,
GSW right here, west side. Looks like in and out right here.
what we got up?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm good.
Who's 7 Charlie?
As far as it.
What happened?
I don't know. I was second here.
Find him down.
What?
This is officer involved.
Okay, officer involved. Copy.
Hands on buddy? Yeah. Okay. CPR. Looks like gunshot wounds.
And just so everybody knows.
Yeah.
I'll open up the frequency first.
Yep. Hey, can you remove those taser bombs?
I did. I threw them already.
Got it.
Do we need anybody on him
We're gonna need one of you guys to take these handcuffs off.
right now?
Yeah.
Okay, he hasn't been searched or anything, just so you guys know.
Real quick, stop. You guys, you are out.
Yeah, got it. You need an airway bag? Yeah, we're gonna need everything.
Yo, you want to just get him the
Yeah, yeah. Double D, never mind. We're gonna load him up.
Let's just load him straight up, guys, and go. Copy.
There we go.
Just load him straight up, scoop and go, boys.
You bet, exempt. Corrections exempt.
Let's roll him on his side. Sure, he can get the handcuffs
Yellow
off.
blanket
Yep.
on me.
Okay. Yellow blanket. Him on his right side. Let the officer get his right side.
Okay. 5C will be 97 to 1.
No, we're gonna load him straight up. No BDM. No BDM right
Yeah,
there.
I think you guys are taping up that parking lot. Maybe also get the east side towards the Jericho box. That should be it.
We're just taking the rubber cuffs off.
Copy.
You got your open.
Got it.
Yeah, just awkward angle.
No, no worries.
I'm gonna start with the blob.
Alright, good deal.
Yeah, I have to.
You know, can you
Get the man. Hey, get the 6 hotel copy. Alright, ready? Yep.
10 4.
Okay, alright.
Yeah, I got that.
16 Jason for the arena.
Yeah, arms are out.
Okay, let's go.
Keep it low, keep it low.
No, lower, guys. We're doing CPR.
Try for the casing right here.
Casings are right here. One on top of this car.